Olá, olá! Welcome to one more video dedicated to Portuguese sounds. So here they are, part 6. As you know already, I'm Ana Santos from PT4U Portuguese Lessons Online. You already know that you can go and visit my website, subscribe my YouTube channel, and also you can have a look in my podcasts in SoundCloud or Castbox. And what's the sounds for today? Today will be dedicated to the sounds sh and ny. Actually, this H is very funny in Portuguese because it only has an expression when it's with the sound L, if you go and see the one video before, and then the CH and NH. And how do they work? This is pretty simple, just for you to know. And once more, check this. It's again the shish. Yeah, that's why I keep saying that we shish a lot. So this sound, CH, we must say it like sh, always. Let's give some examples. Mochila, borracha, chave, chuva, chuveiro, chapéu. Once more. Mochila, borracha, chave, chuva, chuveiro, chapéu. This is rather simple, especially when you compare to the other, that for some languages can be a little bit more trickier. This is the example of NH. And to say it, and once more, my beautiful and amazing images. This is just for you to remember. This is like a kid when you say nya, like when you're mocking, nya, 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 nya. It's right here from your throat. So this is all nya. Let's give here some examples. Linha, ninho, unha, aranha, minhoca, joaninha. Vamos repetir? Linha, ninho, unha, aranha, minhoca e joaninha. So this is one more video of this group of videos dedicated to Portuguese sounds over here they are. I hope you enjoy it, and in case you have any questions or even some suggestions for me, you can email me. Check on my Facebook page, my website, and I hope you enjoy all these videos in my YouTube channel and also the videos dedicated to Portuguese countries and cities in my SoundCloud and Castbox. Ciao, ciao! Have fun!